Hello students, today we are going to learn poem 3.1 Tartary. This poem is written by Walter de la Mare. He is very famous for writing imaginative kind of poems. Tartary means an imaginary state. So students, let's start imaginary poem. Here Tartary is world of imagination. See, in this picture you can see one boy. This boy is thinking that he is king of this imaginary world, and here boy wishes to do many things. So let's start the poem. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne. And in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers hunts, and in my pools great fishes land, their fins athwart the sun. Now, in this first stanza of poem, boy means the poet has imagined that he was only the ruler of this Tartary, this imaginary state. He was only the king of this imaginary state, and he would have bed of ivory and a throne made up of sheets of gold. Also, he would have court where peacocks would, means here one word has come, that is flaunt. Flaunt means show off proudly, and he would have court where peacocks would proudly show off. There would be tigers in the forest, and his pools would be full of big fishes whose fins would move in the sun. Here hunts means what? Moving. Okay. And slant means moving at an angle, means tilt little bit. Okay. So now we'll see the next stanza. If I were Lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every mill would summon me, and in my courtyard bray. And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. Now in this second stanza, bray, B-R-A-Y, bray means make a noise with the trumpets, and mandolin is one type of musical instrument. Now here in this second stanza, poet says that if he was the Lord of Tartary, trumpeters would call him for every meal, every day, and blow their trumpets in his courtyard. Also, here poet says in the evening, yellow and red lamps would shine. Sweet and gay music would be played by the musical instruments. And names of the musical instruments also given, that is harp, flute and the mandolin. Okay, so here poet says these musical instruments like the harp, flute and mandolin also play sweet music played for him. If I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they would be, and cluster thick as seeds, and here should wane the morning star. I would don my robe and scimitar, and zebra 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Now here next stanza, third stanza. Here poet bring out his inner desire to be a king, and here he was if he was the Lord of Tartary, he says that he would wear robe which is made up of white and gold and green beads. Okay, and grouped closely together like seeds. Also, before the morning star could disappear, he would wear his robe and carry his sword. His carriage would be drawn by whom? By the 7 zebras through the dark places in the forest of Tartary. Okay, clustered means grouped together. Okay. Also here year, E-R-E, one word has come, E-R-E, year means before. When means disappear slowly. Scimitar means a sword with a curved blade. Okay. Glades, glades means an open space in a wood, or we can say open space in the forest. And his carriage will be drawn by the 7 zebras through the dark places in the forest of Tartary. Okay. Now we'll see the last stanza. Lord of the fruits of Tartary, here river silver pale. Lord of hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood and dale. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless sea. Her bird delighting citron trees in every purple vale. Now in the last stanza, poet sees himself as the lord of all the fruits of Tartary, of her silver rivers, her hills, woods and valleys. Okay, here glen, G-L-E-N, glen means narrow valley, and thickets means what? Dense of groups, bushes, or we can say trees also. Dale means valley, D-A-L-E, dale means valley, and citron trees. Citron trees means trees that produce a lemon-like fruit. Well means valley. Okay, so here poet sees himself as the lord of all fruits of Tartary, of her silver rivers, her hills, woods and valleys. Nature in the Tartary is beautiful, with a shining stars, scented breeze and rippling lakes. Also, there will be a citron trees in every purple valley. We can see citron trees in every purple valley, and which is attracting the delighted birds. Okay, so here in this way poet Walter de la Mare explained about the imaginary state, that is the Tartary. Hope students you understood this poem.